Yes. Hello students and welcome dear all in the class of mathematics for standard 7th year, and today I am going to discuss this chapter exponents, and this is the second video for this week. Okay. Now as you can see here, here I have explained 3 square, that means 3 to the power 2. So here 3 is the base and 2 is the exponent. Exponent power is written upside here. So in detail we can understand here the concept of base and exponent. Okay, so we can define like that. First of all, we will write as an example only that in the number 5 square, 5 is called the base and 2 is called the exponent or power. 2 is called the exponent or power. Now here in this example you can see 5 square means 5 into 5, and that gives the result 25. Because 2 power is here given, power is 2, so you will multiply 5 with itself only 2 times. Okay, so result we are getting 25. Next, if the number is 3 to the power 4, then 3 to the power 4 means if the power we have given 4, that means the number 3 will multiply with itself 4 times. So it will give you result 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 81. Okay, because 4 power it is given there, so you will multiply 3 4 times. Then we can understand here that 5 square and 3 to the power 4 is the exponential form or the power notation. So we can say 5 square and 3 to the power 4 are in exponential form or power notation because these numbers have been given here with the exponent. Okay, base is also given and upside some power we are seeing here. So these numbers are called exponential form or power notation. Next, some laws of exponents now we have to understand. Okay, so some laws of exponents such as this, you see a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n is equals to a by b raised to the power m plus n. That means if the base is same here, then you have to add the exponent. Here in both the numbers what we are multiplying exponential number a by b and a by b, the base is a by b and the power is m and n. Okay, so powers are different or same, doesn't matter, but mainly we have to see this, that if the base is same, then you will in the result you write the number with same base and add their exponents So this way this result is coming here. Now as for example, 2 by 5 to the power 4 into 2 by 5 to the power 6 is equals to 2 by 5 raised to the power 4 plus 6. So that means result is 2 by 5 to the power 10. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now next you see next formula, second number. Here also base is same, but the operation we are doing division. That means a by b to the power m divided by a by b to the power n. So this time the result will be in division, result will be a by b, the same base you will write, but the powers will be subtracted. That means exponent you will subtract the first exponent, the second exponent from the first exponent, you will subtract that. First exponent is m, second exponent is n. So result is here m minus n. In the result a by b to the power m minus n. Okay, that means the powers you will subtract and the base you will take same a by b, because in both the numbers the base is same and its value is a by b. So in result also it will be a by b only and power is m minus n. That means at the place of power you write the difference of their power. As for example, here see 13 by 5 to the power 10 divided by 13 by 5 to the power 6 is equal to 13 by 5 to the power 10 minus 6. Here power will be subtracted. Now 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 here. So result we are getting 13 by 5 to the power 4. That means if two numbers are being divided and their base is same, okay, then power you will subtract writing the same base. Only exponent you will subtract. So it will be 13 by 5 to the power 4. Now next third number formula is a by b to the power m. Now this m power is the common power, okay, which is on numerator and denominator both. So this power will come to numerator a also and b also. So result is a to the power m by b to the power m. Okay. Now example we can see for this 2 by 7. If such questions is coming only 2 by 7 to the power 3. So this number is in exponential form. Now you can find its other form, that is rational number only. This type of questions also it is important, that 2 by 7 to the power 3 is 2 to the power 3 by 7 to the power 3, because this 3 is the common power here, that you will take on 2 and 7 both. So result is 3 power it is, so 3 times the 2 will be multiplied, 2 into 2 into 2. Now downside also 7 into 7 into 7. So result is 8 to the power 8 by 343. Result is 8 by 343, because 7 cube is 343 and 2 cube is 88. 2 cube is 8. Now fourth number is a by b to the power 0 is 1. That means on any number if you will take the power 0, then result is 1. Okay, such as here a by b is a rational number, it is representing a rational number, and that raised to the power 0 is 1. For example, if 6 by 13 to the power 0 equals to 1, now minus 5 by 9 to the power 0 equals to 1. Here I have taken the number negative, minus 5 by 9. If the number is negative, then also same rule works here, that minus 5 by 9 to the power 0 is 1. Next, minus 3, number is negative minus 3 to the power 0 is, result is 1 only. That means on any integer, positive or negative, power you will take 0, then result is equals to 1. Now this question we have to solve, that express the following numbers in power notation. That means in exponential notation. So first question is 25 by 49. Second is minus 125 by 64. Then we have this number 25 by 69, first number. So we can write by prime factorization that 25 is 5 into 5 and 49 is equals to 7 into 7. So that we have 5 square, 5 into 5 is 5 square here, and that is downside 7 into 7 means 2 times multiplied with itself. So result is 7 square. So 5 square by 7 square, that is equal to 5 by 7 whole square. So this number is answer, that is in exponential form. So the given number 25 by 49 is represented here in exponential form, 5 by 7 raised to the power 2. Next second number is minus 125 by 64. Okay, so first prime factorization we have to do of 125 and 64. After prime factorization we will get that minus 125 is equals to minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. So three numbers when we take negative, then their product will be negative only, because you know that odd products of negative numbers, if they are multiplied odd number of times, it will give a result negative. So minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5, that is minus 125. And similarly that 64 when we will prime factorize, when you will prime factorize it, we will get 4 into 4 into 4, that means 4 cube is 64. Then we can write that minus 5 to the power 3 by 4 to the power 3. Okay, numerator minus 5 to the power 3. Then we can write that 3 power you will take common. Okay, this 3 and 3, it is the common power. That formula we have seen here, just we have studied, that if the common power you can take that power common, if the same power on numerator and denominator here, then if the numerator and denominator have same power, then you take common and write it as a common power here. So now this number minus 5 by 4 is in exponential form. Now this express the given number, next question, as a rational number. It is opposite question only. Here the number is given in exponential form. Convert this number as a rational number. Now we can do here that minus 3 by 2 to the power 4. Again using that formula, this 4 is the common power. Then 4 you will take on numerator and denominator both. So it will come minus 3 to the power 4 by 2 to the power 4. That result will come 4 power, then 4 times we have to multiply, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So result, and downside it is 4 power on 2 also. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times you will do. So result is coming 81 by 8. So this number is a rational number which is equal to this exponential form number minus 3 by 2 to the power 4. Okay students, now you will revise this exponent X chapter and solve the questions given here in the exercise 5a 2 to 6, question number 2 to 6 of 5a exponents. Thank you all of you.